Yeah, come back and feed this lumberjack. Jamaican cooking. We have some goat. We're going to curry some goat here. We're going to wash it now. Keep another wash again. Alright, I have some all-purpose season. I have some Maggi chicken. Also, I have some carrot, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, ginger, Irish. Alright. Also, a better pack curry. We're going to season up the goat now. Season him up. Rub him up. This is the way you see my grandfather cook curry goat and my grandmother real Jamaican curry goat. So pretty and spice up. Alright, I'm going to put it in the fridge till tomorrow. Yeah. I'm going to have some curry goat. Real Jamaican cooking curry goat. Delicious. Alright, my peace. Welcome back. We have some curry goat. Alright? Alright. Throw some coconut. Go on hot now. When you add that, you put the curry to go and burn. Okay? Add one hot. Burn the curry first and oil. This is the way in cooking real Jamaican curry goat. See? You can see? Curry burn, tap burn. Alright. You can see curry goat in here. You can? Alright. Going to stir it up. Lock it and go on steam fry. Whoa. Oh, looks good. Good. Alright, with peas, this is what I want for you. Alright, stir it up. So we're going to add some water to it. A little more. Alright, you have piece of thyme, you can see, and scallion. Alright, lock it pot. You go and cook them more. So in the pot we have some real Jamaican curry goat. Lumberjack is represent 7-time rice. We don't believe in the falling thing. Put Father God first and everything. Yeah, my peeps, I have some white rice and curry goat. Alright, just check out the curry goat pot. Delicious. Wow. Curry goat can simmer down. Delicious. Alright. Yeah, my peeps. Curry goat and white rice. Ready or no? Dinner time. Delicious. Real Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Curry goat and white rice. Right, I'm hungry now. You always have food that delicious rice and rice. Shell it down. Curry goat, spice up and put your fry pan on the side. Right, I'm hungry now.